Hello friends, in the series of BSc IPF, I welcome you all. We have discussed about various schemes so far related to savings or retirement planning or financial planning or mutual funds or equity market. A topic about which we will discuss today is it is always important to achieve or accumulate the wealth, but insurance is also important because whatever we are doing it for family, and we are creating wealth or we are accumulating wealth just to give a better life or better standard of life to the family. And if we really care for the family, then insurance is must product. In our country, no one likes to talk about insurance, but insurance is important, and that's why we look for the product which is having the combination of insurance and savings, and we land up in buying a wrong product. If we want to save, then we should look for saving schemes. If we want to invest, then we should look for the investment options. And if we want to have the insurance, then we should buy a pure insurance product, which is term insurance. So how, what is the term insurance and how term insurance is benefited or is beneficial for the small investor? We will try to see what is term insurance. If I am the investor and if I am buying a policy of a term insurance, it is a policy, it is a prepaid policy. If I am buying today for say 1 crore rupees, if I am dying in next 1 year 365 days, then my family will get, a nominee will get 1 crore rupees. If not, then next year same day I need to renew my policy by paying same premium which I am paying today. So this is how term insurance work. We think that we will never die or we will live up to 100 years. Everyone should live. But if something is going wrong, then our family is secured. How much sum assured or how much money a one family should get, we will try to calculate. Here we are considering one example that if my age is 32 today, and I'm considering the age of my spouse is also 32, you can change according to your real figures. Monthly expense I am considering 30,000 rupees. So annual, the expenses of my family will be 30,000 multiplied by 12, 3,60,000 rupees. In our country, life expectancy is more. If we consider the statements by WHO and the international institutions, they say life expectancy is more because of improving medical sciences. It is 80 in our country. If something is wrong happening to me today, then my spouse will live at least 48 years from today, and he should get enough money which will cater him for next 48 years. How much money he should have or how much money he should get or my family should get if I'm dying today? Whatever money a family will get, they will not put it in a safe or in at home. They will invest it somewhere where they will get only 2% extra of the inflation. Whatever the inflation is now 5.5 or 4, around 4. It may reduce, according to the experts. The country will grow, inflation will come down. We are considering only 2% above inflation. So there is a function called PV. 2% next 48 years, my family should get 3,60,000 rupees. Even if I'm not there, my expenses may come down little bit, but they may require not 3.6 lakh rupees, at least 3 lakh rupees. So for 48 years, they should get the 3,60,000 rupees adjusted to inflation. How much money they should have today? They should have 1 crore 10 lakh rupees, 42,323 rupees. Means if I'm dying today, my family should get 1 crore 10 lakh rupees. So I should buy a term insurance today, which is having a sum assured of 1 crore 10 lakh rupees. If something is wrong happening to me, my family will get 1 crore 10 lakh rupees. So this is how one should calculate the term insurance. There are various online portals. Just check out the online portals, do the comparative study. Knowing the details and knowing the claim settlement ratio is always important. Just take advice of advisor and buy term insurance today. It is very important. Thank you very much for liking our session. Don't forget to write your name along with the email address in the comment section. All these sessions are coming to you by BSc IVF and SEBI, so don't forget to say them thanks to. The same topic is there in Marathi and Hindi. You can check out the YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Stay tuned.